I'd love to give you my quick and honest thoughts on this three tablespoon scoop. It's very comfortable to hold and a very quick release with the spring loaded, and all it does is scoop your cookie dough out of here. So it's a simple scoop and release. It literally releases everything. What I like about using something like this is the consistency in your pieces. So when you're making cookies, muffins, bread rolls, anything that you want to use this, the consistency is key, because it gives even cooking throughout your cooking, as well as you haven't got family fighting for who's having the biggest muffin or the smallest muffin. So consistency is key for all these reasons. It's very simple to use, nothing to it, just a quick push and release. I hope you like it as much as I do.